what's up? This is Yaduvir Singh. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to gain momentum while you are day gaming and close. So without any further ado, I'm going to do it live in front of you and show you how it is actually done when you go out during the daytime and end up closing the actual process of gaining momentum during day game. Here it is. Let's go. Excuse me, I really like your fashion sense, guys. Are you into modeling? I just wanted to compliment. You're from Delhi only? Have a nice day, guys. Just wanted to compliment. Make your day. Excuse me, do you know where do you get these earrings?
These earrings are from
I'm not selling anything. Can you tell me where did you get these earrings?
other stylist.com.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bro, I really like your tattoo, man. Your shoes are amazing. Your shoes are amazing. Are you from Delhi?
No, not from Delhi.
I know it's random, like what the fuck, why is this guy talking to me? Actually, I just saw you and I really liked your shoes, so I just came and compliment you. What's your name? You can shake my hand, I don't have AIDS.
But it's COVID time. One should not.
You can give me fist pump. Okay, you didn't ask my name, that's so rude.
Because I'm not really interested, honestly.
I know. I just wanted to compliment you so that I can make your day.
Thank you.
Yep. I hope you'll remember one guy came and complimented me on my shoes.
I will.
Yeah. Do you like my shoes? I'm just kidding. Have a nice day. I really like your fashion sense, bro. Guys, you both look amazing. Excuse me, you guys have amazing vibe. So I thought I should just come and compliment you guys.
Amazing.
Vibe.
Thank you.
Are you guys best friends?
Yeah, we all are like college.
You don't have to get scared of me.
no, that's
And I don't have AIDS as well. You can shake my hand. What's your name? I really love your hair color. Oh, she's the first one. You're the queen of the group?
No.
I'm just kidding. What's your name?
Sure. Yeah,
And you are? I'll tell you. What's your name? Shika. Where do you guess? Just guess. Give it a wild guess. I don't speak Konkani, but I love Goa. Have you guys been to Goa?
Yeah, I live in Goa.
And you guys are ring lovers?
No.
Except her, everyone is wearing. I'm sorry, what's your name? Huh? Yeah, and you are? Yeah. We have. You didn't ask my name?
Yeah.
Yaduvir.
Yaduvir.
Yeah, Yaduvir.
Yaduvir.
Now can you guess where I'm from? No?
Delhi.
No, not Delhi. My ancestors left Pakistan and just came to. I'm actually raw agent. I'm going to bomb this place. Don't tell anyone. I'm going to.
Raw agent didn't tell
Actually, you know why I came here? Her eyes looks like my cat. Like literally. I have a ragdoll cat.
Serving my eyes from.
Yup, like literally, you know, I'm fucking extroverted. By the way, you guys remember my name?
Yeah, Yaduvir. Yuvi, we can call you Yuvi, right?
Okay, no, you can't call me Uwe. I'm not Yuvraj.
You are from Pakistan, that's why.
No. Okay, where are you guys from? You're from Goa.
Goa.
You're from?
Delhi.
You all are from Delhi.
Yeah.
She doesn't speak much, right? She's the most introverted one? That's right. Okay. I was just going and I was finding my friends. I couldn't spot my friends. So I thought I should just socialize with people.
That's so nice of you.
What are you guys doing over here? You see, I am so intimidated. I'm standing in between 5 really beautiful women. And I'm like, oh my god, what to say? And I'm the only one sweating here.
It's fine, I guess.
Is it? Okay. What do you guys do?
Design. I'm a merchandiser.
Merchandise what? You make merchandises?
No, I don't make merchandise.
You market them?
Yeah, so I am basically heading Biba.
Biba.
Brand website.
Okay. And you? Fashion designer?
Yeah, all of fashion design.
Where? NIFT?
No.
I hate you guys so much.
Why?
I don't like fashion designers.
Why?
Did you spot any mistake in my dressing till now? Yeah, I know. What is it? Tell me. How much do you want to get paid for that? Huh?
It's not like everyone has their own personality. It's just how you carry it. You should be confident, right?
So what did you find it? What did you find
Confident
out?
enough, they're approaching us. That's a big thing.
Is it?
Yeah. So
Is
that's
it-
a big. We didn't even notice till now when you asked us to notice.
Okay. But you were still noticing. You remember my name? I'm asking it for third. Oh my god. That's lovely. Are you guys on Instagram? I'm going to take all of your Instagrams. Yes. Yes.
Because we will find you.
No.
No, what do you do exactly? I still cannot believe that you are a raw.
Guess what do I do? Obviously, I'm not a raw agent. I'm into psychology. I'm a psychologist. So I have to keep myself in people. Otherwise, I'll go fucking mental. You know, I've been staying inside my own room from quite. I don't study. I counsel.
No, like where I tried to take psychology in my
One by one, okay, yes.
12th standard, but I couldn't even learn the spelling of it.
Is it? You love psychology?
I thought.
Then
I
you
would,
went into
but-
fashion psychology.
No, I thought I would love it, but I didn't love it, and I couldn't even learn the spelling of it, so I just quit.
Okay, God. See, I'm just one guy. I can't occupy all of you, but I'm just trying. So, by the way, I really love the energy you guys are having. She's like, okay, I'm thinking what's going on. I really love the energy you guys are having, and I don't know who are you guys, but I would love to know who are you guys. Just because you are into fashion, I don't know how your Instagram handles, but I would love to get updated because I also give fashion advice sometimes to men. Okay, so that's why I'm not hitting on you. Probably I am on someone you won't know. And I'm not even a stalker as well.
Sometimes it's good to engage with people.
Okay. So, okay, what's your Instagram?
Kasha.
You can do it. Yup, I searched Kim Kardashian because her outfit was crazy. In Met Gala, I was like, what the fuck? How is she breathing?
Yeah, we all have that.
So, whom do you like the most, guys? Bella Hadid or her sister? Gigi Hadid? Yeah.
And Kendall.
Okay.
The best friend child.
You can't find me.
Network issues there.
Anyone is having network over here?
Networks नहीं आते यहाँ बिल्कुल भी नहीं आते
Okay.
पर्टिकुलर
Tash __ Okay. I'll follow you, Tash. What's your Instagram? See, you never know whose Instagram I'm going to take actually, and who I'm going to text. But I want you guys guessing whom is he going to text finally? Whom is he going to text? Is it?
now you're like
See, you guys have even seen my face, and I'm sweating as fuck.
we all are under the mask भाई यहाँ पे पुलिस वाले घूम रहे थे मास्क पहन लो अपने
मुझे बता देना अगर कोई आ गया.
where are you exactly from not ever
So I keep traveling. I don't stay at a place. I'm in Delhi for some days. After that, I'll move. I'll move to Bangalore.
I can't say
I'll just take screenshots, and I'll give heart to my favorite screenshot.
hi
Don't give it to me. Just like pass it on. It's iPhone. We heart. We give it a like, and it goes in the favorites. So can you guess which one is who's my favorite over here?
मेरा से वृंदा
No, you. Come on. She didn't know. I'm standing next to her from so long. Probably you guys noticed. She didn't know.
yeah
It's okay, Tash.
I don't know so there's no network I guess
You are friends. I'm going to friend zone all of you.
चलें yeah
Okay.
thanks nice connected with you
Yup, same here.
ऐड कर दे मोबाइल में ले जाओ चलो
भाग जाओ मोबाइल लेकर. Then finally I'll come. I'm a superman.
super
Nothing. I have nothing to say, I have nothing to say. I got to say something.
happening today is not your luck
Why do you think I'm trying my luck?
so where are your friends
I'm walking towards them. I'm gonna walk this side towards them. Then I'm gonna find them. We are going to a good bar over here, but we couldn't find any good bar, so we thought of Summer House. But I don't know. Summer House is having salsa night tonight, and I do bachata, but not salsa. So I'm going to Nehru Place. Yeah. Do you guys like Nehru Place? Some clubs?
never been there so done
Okay. Thank you. It was amazing meeting you guys. Yadu,
We were at STF.
Yadu, Yadu, Yadu.
No, do you remember her name or not?
Okay, Tasha, 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 Tasha. Got it? It was lovely meeting you guys. You guys have a beautiful day. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. So guys, this was it for today. I hope you came to know how to follow the momentum, the actual domino principle, where the first domino is so small that you start with, hi bro, nice shoes. Hi bro, I really like your vibe. And simply you start going on and you start gaining momentum. So the first thing is to open all, talk to everyone. The second thing is to minimize time between interactions. The third thing that you have to follow is don't judge yourself in between the interactions or while you just left an interaction. So what do you have to do if you don't judge yourself? You just have to find something funny about every interaction. You will see me whenever I'm coming out of interaction, I'm just having my own fun irrespective of how the set has went. And finally, if you are in the state, you will end up burning the place. As you have seen in the last set, I ended up closing all of the sets. So guys, I hope you understood how to day game. If you want to know even more about it, if you want to get access to the private content, join the Facebook group, which is totally closed and only you can get access to it. The link is in the description box. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to know anything more, you can comment down in the section and I'll see you on the other side. Hasta la vista.